Single layers modes allow us to highlight the current active layer by hiding or dimming other layers. Let's explore why and how we can use this feature. Single layer mode is very useful when working on a specific layer and when we would like to momentarily hide other layers. Integrated with Board Insight are the single layer mode features, which are configured on the PCB editor under the Board Insight display page of the Preferences dialog. Let's start with opening the preferences. From the PCB editor section, select the Board Insight display page. Enable all options under available single layer modes and press OK. Let's make sure we're in the 2D view by pressing the 2 key. Single layer mode displays the contents of the current layer while hiding or dimming the contents of all other layers, as well as hiding all objects on all other layers to display only the contents of the current layer. Single layer mode has grayscale and monochrome display modes as shown in the Preferences dialog. Converting all other layer colors to grayscale or monochrome lets you retain the spatial relationship information about the location of other objects in the design, without distracting us from the layer of interest. If we select the top Overlay Layer tab to make it the active layer, we can see that all other layers are grayscale or monochrome or not displayed as we toggle through the single layer modes we set in the Preferences dialog. We toggle through these single layer modes by pressing Shift-S. Single layer modes are also available in the 3D layout mode. We have now seen the various single layer modes available and the unique characteristics of each mode, and discussed how these modes are useful when working within a PCB design.